Okay. The topic of this video is order. Specifically the order of objects from top to bottom. Okay. As you see, you've got the pasteboard here, and I've got some objects on it to demonstrate. The objects that are on the pasteboard, they actually have an order to one another. They sit on top or above or below another object. Um, let's say I come in here and I make a new circle, and we'll give it a color. We'll make it black. And I come in here and I put it on top of this. This green square, it's on top of it because it was made after it. If I make another bigger circle and give it a color, which is white, and put it on top of the black circle, well, the black circle goes away. Okay? And this can become an issue because let's say I've got this yellow circle and I put it behind this red square. Well, now I can't get to it because it's behind this red square. My only options are to move the square. Okay? Well, my other option is to take these squares and move them to the back. Then I can take my circle out. Okay? There's a simple way to do this, and I'm going to demonstrate here on these three squares. We'll get rid of our circle. Okay, so these squares, I'm going to select the square on top. Okay, and if I right click, you'll see that I have an arrange. I have bring to front, bring forward, bring backward, and send to back. Okay, it's a lot easier just to memorize these shortcuts. Okay, so we'll click on the green square here again, and if we use our shortcut key, which is command and left bracket, we'll send it back one at a time. Okay, it's probably easier to demonstrate with this. Okay, if we click on the red square, which is all the way in the back, and then do command right bracket, command right bracket, as you can see, command right bracket, command left bracket, you can move objects. Okay, you can move the arrangement of objects from top to bottom. Okay, now it's not really so important that you know how to move objects up and back one step. It's more important that you know the shortcut to move an object all the way to the back, which is command shift left bracket. Okay, and the shortcut to move an object all the way to the front, command shift right bracket. Okay, command shift left bracket, command shift right bracket. Alright, we're going to take this into application. So we're going to come down here, and we've got our article here. As you can see, I've got text, and I've got a caption box, and then I've got a byline. And I can't get to my byline. Alright, in my photo, I can't get to my photo. If I double click, I get my text. I can't get to my photo. Well, the reason is it's because this text is on top of the byline in the photo. Okay, so all I do is I simply click on the text box, use my command shift and left bracket shortcut key, and then it moves the text to the back, and all these elements then sit on top of the text. When I click on the text, there it is. I can still get to it. Okay, alright, that is top to bottom arrangement in InDesign.